Hey friends, if you wish to change the network profile type in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Wi-Fi. You'll have Wi-Fi properties here. Okay. Click on manage known networks. Okay. And then you can click on the known network for which you wish to change the profile type, and then you can change it to private or public depending upon your requirements. Okay, public is usually recommended if you are using it at a public place. Even if you're using it at home, it is preferred to use the public network for more security. But just because you did that doesn't mean that it will be applicable to your system directly. You will have to click on the system tray, open the Wi-Fi settings and connect to that specific Wi-Fi network. Only once it is connected, the effect will take place. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.